Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Iowa Bankers Mortgage account. So go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Now go to the Google search bar and then search for Iowa Bankers Mortgage Login. The short form of Iowa Bankers Mortgage Login is IMBC, so click on the first link which says My IMBC Loan Login. It will lead you to the login portal of IMBC Loan. Go ahead and write down your username, your password, click on I agree to the user terms and privacy policy and hit the login button, and then you can successfully log into your Iowa Bank Mortgage account or My IMBC Loan account. If you want your browser to remember your username, click Remember My Username, and the next time you log in, you must not write your username again. And if you don't have an account, click Register Your Account, and then you can create yourself an account. Now, if in case you have forgotten your username or password, these are the login links which you want to go through, which you can click on and then retrieve your password and recover your password once again. This was a video on how you can log into your Iowa Bankers Mortgage login. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.